Bharat Bhushan is also, yeah. Hello, guys. Good evening. So, my name is Prasad Simpi. I look after products at wealthy.in. Okay. So, we are not going in detail of any other investment products other than ATC. Okay. So, why we are doing ATC? You have to understand that first. Okay. ATC is a very, very important component in any investment advice, what you provide to your clients. Why we say that? Okay, you have to understand that first. So what is the ATC limit? It just looks like 1.5 lakh rupees ATC limit, right? But when you have a number of clients, okay, what is the challenge you face? They might be having some insurance, okay, they might be having some other investment. How to tackle these queries? That is what we are going to discuss. Okay, you might have seen this presentation before. You might have seen the products available in ATC. Okay, you might have seen that, but what mainly we are concentrating today, okay, we are going to concentrate whatever queries you have, whatever challenges you have or your clients are having when it comes to this investment, we will try to make comfortable with those queries. Okay, that is the main thing. We are going to do that. Okay, let's start the presentation. So what all tax saving options we have? Okay, when we say ATC, okay, so we have four different categories: ATC investment option, ATD investment options, saving options, ATE options. Okay, so what is ATC? ATC allows you to save maximum is a tax benefit on. There are two parts in this. Okay, one, you save tax, save your investment, okay, by investing in some insurance product or ELSS funds and save taxes. Okay, one more is spend and save taxes, get exemption. Okay, what it says, spend, what it means, whenever you spend on buying a house loan comes under this, you get an exemption. Okay, tuition fees, school fees, that comes under this exemption. So apart from that, there are variety of different products which we will discuss in one by one in next slide. Okay, PPF, EPF, NPS, okay, mutual fund ELSS schemes. Okay, ULIPs is one of the very, very good product under this segment. Why? I'll tell you. It looks like it's an insurance. Whenever we say insurance, people tend to believe that it is not going to pay much. But trust me, ULIP is one very, very good product, MF and ULIPs, okay, where we will be getting spending some time on this. Okay, so tax saving deposits and others. Okay, what is ATD investment options benefits? Under section ATD, a medical benefit 25,000 for self, spouse, and children's is captured. Okay, so what it means, whenever you do a health insurance for your family, that comes under this. Okay, you can claim that. Additional 25,000 allowed for parents aged less than 60. So if you are going for parents health cover, okay, that also you can get benefit. If your parents are more than 50,000, more than 60 years, then you can claim up to 50,000. Okay, so medical insurance, self, family floaters, top ups. Why we say top ups? You have to understand that many of you might be working for some company. Okay, company might be giving you 3 lakh, 5 lakh rupees health cover, right? So when you have a 3 lakh rupees in a city like Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, okay, 3 lakh is nothing. Once you go to the hospital, everything will be drained out. So what we suggest? We suggest to people go with a top ups. What it says, above 3 lakh rupees and up to 15 lakh rupees, whatever expense comes, we will pay that. And whatever premium you pay for that, it is coming under ATD. So you are saving tax on that as well. And ATE investment is nothing but your home education loan EMIs without any upper limits. Okay, we'll discuss about these products in detail. understand the products. Okay, ATC, ATD, ATE. ATE is nothing but education loan. There is no other benefit. Okay, so just a second. Okay, so ATC, what all products you have? First of all, life insurance. Okay, premiums. It might be any life insurance which gives you 10x cover on your premium, whatever annual premium you pay, that comes under this ATC deduction. Okay, so tax saving FD, everybody, I'm sure that many people, many of you might be aware of FD, tax saving FDs, which is lock-in. It will be having a 5 years lock-in, you cannot withdraw. Okay, so that is one thing. PPF, public provident fund. Okay, EPF, employee provident fund, national saving certificates. So these all are comes under ATC investment. Okay, NPS is one very important component when you provide advisory to your clients. Okay, so why we say NPS, mutual fund, ULIP are very important, you have to understand that. Okay, NPS is nothing but a pension scheme, national pension scheme. A little monthly contribution to NPS is must. Okay, MF ELSS, it is one of the best ATC product which can give you a very good wealth creation, wealth growth. Okay, ULIP, why we say ULIP? Okay, I'll tell you with a product. We have next lined up products. Okay, so in that I'll tell you in a detail. Okay, so through MF, through NPS and through ULIP, you can actually choose what is the combination of equity and debt allocation for your investment, for your client investment. Let's say you have a client for which whose age is 55. He don't want to go with completely ELSS funds because that goes into equity, right? So when you go through ULIP, you can actually build a whatever combination of whatever kind of debt you want in this portfolio. Okay, so I'll tell you in detail about that with a product example. Okay, ATD products, medical insurance, self, family floater, top up medical insurance, which is just now I told you, right? When you have a 3 lakh rupees cover, okay, above 3 lakh rupees, up to 15 lakh, 20 lakh, 25 lakh, okay, that is called a top up on your existing cover. Existing cover is provided by your company, but it is not sufficient today's world, in this world, right? When you are staying in some metro cities, 3 lakh, 5 lakh rupees cover is nothing. So you have to pitch in a top up product for your clients. Okay, parents health insurance, up to certain limit of medical treatment for self and dependents, also covered under ATD. Okay, so whatever certain limit is there. Okay, 40,000 is the limit for self and your wife. Okay, self family. Okay, if you have a dependent, okay, that limit goes up to 1 lakh rupees. So whatever you have done, medical expenses, that you can actually capture under ATD and you can save tax under that. Okay, so as I told, ATE is nothing but education loan. There is only one product. So what is the, see, all ATC investments comes with a lock-in. Okay, so what is the lock-in? You have to understand the minimum lock-in is 3 years. It's not like other open-ended mutual fund when you invest today and exit tomorrow. Okay, it comes, all the ATC investment products comes with a lock-in, but in that lock-in, the minimum is 3 years, which is mutual fund, ELSS. Okay, so ULIP is 5 years. Okay, so the best product to grow your wealth for your client is ULIP and ELSS. Okay, certain amount of saving should go in NPS as well, because that is the retirement plan for a long term. Okay, you cannot withdraw anything whenever you contribute to NPS. Okay, up to the age of 60. Okay, so that thing you have to keep a note, because whenever your client has a sufficient surplus to invest monthly and you are making a lot of investment in NPS, means his liquidity capacity is going down. Okay, so it is not, you cannot withdraw for the up to his 60th age. You can make some partial withdrawals after 15 years and all, but that is what I'm saying. You cannot completely withdraw this. Okay, so must have products, as I told, term plan. Every client of yours should have a term plan. Okay, why? You are, as an advisor, okay, you are trying to take care of his any uncertainty which might arise, okay, in future. Because whenever some person if that person goes, okay, dies, the amount of financial crisis that family goes through, it's immense. So you are trying to protect that. Okay, so the must have product is, your client should have one term plan to secure his family financial position. Okay, that is a must product. Okay, so we have HDFC term plan Click to Protect, and Tata term plan, which is Maharaksha Supreme. Okay, you have regular pay option, you have 5 pay option, you have 10 pay option. Okay, all the informations are provided here. Okay, so there are different riders, which is like critical illness, accident cover. Okay, so you have lot of other options, rider options also. So this qualifies under ATC investment as well. So what we are trying to do here today, you should not lock in a single product for your client to get benefit out of 1,50,000 rupees what he's trying to claim. Okay, you should have one term plan, one certain portion of investment going into ELSS fund, okay, which is MF for a wealth creation, one health plan to take care of any health uncertainty in a family. Okay, so this is one first product, which is term plan. Your every client of yours should have term plan. You should go back and ask whether they have a term plan. If they don't have, it's your duty to make them understand the benefits of this product and make them buy this. Okay, this is the must have product. What is the second must have product? The health plan. Okay, as I told, there are so many options available in health plan. Even though client is having up to 3 lakh rupees company cover, company has provided cover. Okay, in a city like all the metro cities, okay, and any tier 2 city also. Okay, if you go to the hospital for some treatment and all, okay, you end up spending more than 2 lakh 3 lakh rupees easily. Okay, so that is the reason we always tell our clients to have a sufficient amount of top ups. Okay, let's say top up, when we say top up, 3 lakh to 10 lakh rupees top up will cost for entire family whose age is 35. Okay, somewhere around 8 to 12,000 rupees in between, depending on the size of the family. Okay, that they should have that. Okay, they might not claim in next 4 years, but fifth or sixth year, once in next 10 years, okay, definitely they are going to utilize that, and they will be very very they will think that they have made a right decision by going with your advice. Okay, they will be a client for lifetime whenever they see benefit of these products. Okay, they are not going to leave you. Okay, so what all products we have? Care Health, Max Bupa, and HDFC. Okay, we have 3 different products which can be which have a lot of variants in this. Okay, individual, family, floater, top ups. Okay, based on a requirement, you can do that. You can choose a right product for your client. But see, that is what we are saying. Your client should have this product without any doubt. It's your duty to go and ask whether they have or not these products, and make them understand the benefits of these products and make them to buy. Okay, so what are the suggested portfolios? Okay, so we have a ready-made suggested portfolios already. Okay, based on their risk appetite. Okay, so corpus invested today, 1 lakh. Okay, so what will be the amount after 5 years? Okay, so see, these products, we are just calculating this based on what will be the amount after 5 years for conservative investment. Okay, so actually they are paying somewhere between expected return of 6.5 to 7.5 tax free returns. See, some people think whenever we say ATC investment, they think that it is not an investment product. Whatever we are investing, it is not going to yield anything in a longer run. But that is a wrong concept. Okay, there are products. Okay, it depends on every wealth manager like you. Okay, you people. Okay, who decide the right portfolio for your clients. Okay, whenever you generate, see, 1.5 lakh rupees is surely available for investment, right? How you are going to utilize that, it depends on you. Okay, that's why we made a ready-made products, okay, where you can just select depending on your client's risk appetite and their understanding, and just pitch in these products. Okay, so we have moderate, which is HDFC Click to Invest 80%, which is a ELSS fund. Okay, so why we say ELSS? Okay, I was telling you there is a ELSS fund, which is okay, which is a very good product. We are going to discuss that in coming slides. These are the products, and what products we have in this portfolio. We will discuss about these products in detail. Okay, moderate expected rate of return 8.5% to 10%, and aggressive expected rate of return 10 to 12% post tax. Okay, this is. So product details. ELSS basket, we have a tax saver ELSS basket where we have Axis long-term equity, Mirai asset tax saver, and ABSL tax relief 96. Okay, so you can just pitch in these products and the rest everything will be taken care by our system, because we have built these portfolios in our system without any you can just execute without any hassle. Okay, and we are not going to invest in one single fund, because if it is not going to perform in next 3 years, your client will come and hold your why you have given this advice, right? So that is why we have distributed among top 3 funds. Okay, so minimum lock-in is 3 years. Okay, one of the best wealth creation product under ATC. Okay, and up to 1.5 lakh rupees you can invest in this portfolio. But what we suggest, don't invest up to total 1.5 lakh rupees into ELSS. You have to divide this as a smart wealth manager. Okay, you have to advise your clients, go with a different products where he is also getting benefited. Just like I said, term plan, he should have one term plan, he should have a wealth health plan for his family, total health cover, and apart from, after giving these must product, you should have these products which is concentrating on wealth creation. Okay, so insurance, we will spend some time on this. Okay, so why we say ULIP is a best tax saving option for long term investors, for long term wealth creation also. See, whenever we say HDFC Classic One or HDFC Click to Invest, okay, they have underlying 10 different funds ranging from blue chip funds. Within this, whenever you invest 1 lakh rupees, they give you 10 different fund options where you can choose what allocation can be made in which fund. Okay, they have large cap funds, they have mid cap funds, they have value category funds. Okay, they have government bonds, they have corporate bonds. Okay, in this portfolio. So as a smart wealth manager, what you have to do right now, people are saying large caps are fairly valued. Next 1 to 2 years is a mid and small cap time, right? So in this product, if your client is already having a large cap fund under this, you can shift that to mid and small cap without any taxation implication. Okay, recently they have given tax there will be taxation on ULIPs as well if your yearly contribution is more than 2.5 lakh rupees. Okay, But when we are considering these products for only tax saving purpose, okay, that doesn't apply to us, because our clients, we are trying to save 1.5 lakh rupees investment options. We are looking for a investment option within 1.5 lakh rupees range to save tax for our clients. So if somebody is investing 2.5 lakh rupees, they are investing not for saving tax, for some other purpose. So we are not going to discuss that. Okay. So whenever you make shifts within the funds, okay, they are tax exempted. See, outside what happens, if you are holding large cap and they have made 20% return for you, okay, and you want to book profit and shift to mid and small cap, okay, that 20% will be taxed at the 10% if you are holding for more than 1 year. Okay, so effectively you are getting only 18,000 additional. Okay, 1,18,000 you are getting instead of 1,20,000, and 1,18,000 you are going to invest in new funds, which is small and mid cap, right? But here that taxation amount is not going anywhere. There is no tax applicable within the ULIP funds. Okay, that is one major reason. If you are see, many smart wealth managers, they use ULIP as a investment option for their clients, and they actively manage that. Whenever markets are high, equity markets, they move to debt. Whenever they see a lot of correction in equity market, they move from debt to equity. Okay, so these things, whatever you do within the ULIP, okay, they are tax exempted. Okay, right now we don't have clarity on whether it is taxed at internal shifts and all. As of now, internal shifts are not taxed. Okay, that is one thing we know. Okay, apart from that, retirement planning, we have Sanchay Par, HDFC Guaranteed Pension, HDFC Sanchay Plus. Okay, so as I said initially, okay, whatever 1,50,000 rupees you are getting, it should not go in a single product. You should be distributing in a manner where client's risk is mitigated, client's family is taken care, the wealth creation goal is taken care, his retirement planning is also made, planned. Okay, so that's how we have to build our ATC investment. And one more thing, you understand why we are doing this ATC investment presentation today. Okay, since we are into the financial year closing, near to financial year closing, the 80% of these investments into these products comes in the month of Jan to March. Okay, so this is the right time for you all. It throws as a opportunity for you all, so that you can just go back to your client, take a phone, call them, whether they have these products, whether they have utilized ATC investment. Okay, it takes just one call. If you do 10 calls, I'm damn sure that 2 or 3 clients you will get who says that we have not taken care of these things and I'm looking for the options. Okay, so you have a ready-made options available here. Okay, it could be a very good opportunity for you to start engaging with a client. Okay, so that's all from ATC investment, and I'm happy to take questions or difficulties or
Okay.
any queries you have.
Okay,
I'm happy to
perfect
address that.
timing, Prasad, because we were anyway running out of time.
Yeah,
So yeah, Milind has asked. So should a client have a a term plan, a health insurance, and a life insurance? That is the first question we got from Milind.
yeah, Milian, see, life insurance, see, when we say life insurance, 80 to 85% of the life insurance products, they are not doing any justice to their clients. Okay, they are earning anywhere between 4 to 6%. Okay, life insurance, when we say, there are good products, but the must have product is term insurance, okay, and health insurance. You should safeguard your client's financial position and health position by giving these products, and these products are not at all expensive. Okay, for any person who's 35-year-old, okay, he will be buying, he can buy this 1 crore rupees cover, okay, for anywhere between 8,000 to 12,000 in between, for regular pay. Okay,
Okay, we have a second question from Divya. How much money does a person need to get tax benefits under all three sections? I mean minimum. I think Divya, there is no minimum. It like if the person doesn't fall in the tax bracket, he doesn't need to invest. But Prasad can add. And Prasad, could you please disable your annotations in the sharing options?
Sharing options. Just a second.
Click options and see if you can do it. Disable annotations.
Yeah, I've done that.
So can you answer Divya's question about the minimum investment needed to get tax benefits?
No, there is no such minimum investment. See, if your client is into 20% tax bracket, okay, so he is making that 20% without doing any contribution towards ATC or ATD investments, right? So there is no minimum amount, but maximum is fixed at ATC 1.5 lakh rupees, okay, ATD 40,000 for self and family, and it is going additional 50,000, more than 50,000 for if you have parents whose age is more than 60. There is no minimum investment. The maximum cap is there. Divya.
Okay. We have another question from Smita asking how much term insurance amount is the right amount? Smita, I think the sum assured should be anywhere between 10 to 20 times your annual income, depending on the liabilities you may have and how far you are from reaching your retirement corpus. Prasad, do you have anything to add to that?
Yeah. See, minimum 10x should be there. Let's say your client is earning 10 lakh rupees per annum. Okay. He should have 10x cover, which is 1 crore cover. That is the minimum. Maximum, it depends on his capabilities and his net worth and other factors. But minimum, he should have 10x cover for his family. That's straight away clear. Yeah.
Nagaraj has asked a question. If a person wants to invest 5K per month for 20 years, which plan I have to suggest if he wants to build a corpus of 50 lakhs to 1 CR? So basically, he's asking for an SIP recommendation.
Yeah, Nagaraj, the SIP recommendation, we have separate SIPs. Okay. That doesn't come under ELSS or tax saving investments. So for that, you can just ask your PTD wealth manager team.
Yeah, Nagaraj, I suggest you speak to your relationship manager about
Relationship
that.
manager.
He or she can, give you a detailed answer based on the risk appetite of the person for whom you are asking.
Yeah.
Again, Milind has asked a question: term insurance for. Milind, I think there are some policies for which you can do limited play, as in you can pay all the entire amount in one go or in a few years. So to answer your question, there are term insurance policies where you don't need to pay every year. You can pay in advance. The advantage of that is that because you pay in advance, you will not the policy will not lapse, and you don't have to pay it every year. So in some cases, we do recommend that.
So Milind, what happens whenever I just now said, right, a 35 age person, okay, if he wants to get a cover of 1 crore, okay, he has to pay 8 to 10,000 rupees for rest of his life. He should be keep on paying this every year, right? Instead of that, what he can do, okay, 35 to at least 60th age, he has to pay next 25 years. Instead of that, what he can do, he can say that I have a money, okay, next 10 years, I'll pay everything in next 10 years or in next 5 years or in next 1 year only in a single pay. Okay, I'll pay every amount. Instead of for 10 years, instead of 8 to 10, that might come around near to 28 to 30 for same cover, which will be covered in next 10 years. He will pay in next 10 years, but he will get a cover till his whatever option he has opted, 60, 75, 85, whatever he opted. So that is limited pay. You are not going to pay till the end of that policy. Yeah.
Also, I think there are in some cases limited pay have some additional benefits of surrender benefit. So there is a slight advantage in also going for a limited pay or a single pay policy. Okay. Simranjit has asked about whether we can invest in NPS via Wealthy. No, I don't think we can invest in NPS via Wealthy.
Yeah.
Prasad, can we do that?
No, we have not empaneled for that
Okay.
yet.
Let me know if invest in Click to Invest, which fund will we choose to get maximum return.
See, this is one very important question. See, at Wealthy, what we do, whenever you invest, we are not leaving it as it is. Okay, we are actively managing that. And if you have a client today, okay, we will give you a suggested fund and allocation for your clients. And we will be actively managing that. Let's say after 1 year, okay, we have seen very good return out of mid-cap opportunity in that fund, ELSS. We will be exiting that and taking position in some other fund, or we'll be moving it to debt. So that is one advantage when you come with a Wealthy. Okay, we are actively managing these portfolios. Whenever there is a change in our recommended portfolio, you will get a notification. Your client will get a notification.
Okay, Smita has asked a question. Term insurance, should it be 10x of income or it should be 10x of income. A term insurance or life insurance replaces your income. Hence, the sum assured should also be a multiple or a factor of your income. Melinda asked if yes, why does everyone say that buy term plan now, else it will be costlier next year?
So why they say that? See, whenever you are buying at the age of 30th, your premiums will be less. Okay, because mortality charges which applies in this premium, that will be less. But when you buy at a 50th age instead of 30th age, you are buying at 50th age, your mortality charges will be a significant portion in that premium. So whatever you are paying, the mortality charges will be eating up your increasing your premium at the age of 50. So that is one consideration. Whenever some clients you have, we always suggest that make this term plans very early stage. Okay, you lock it today. Okay, same amount you'll be paying for next, let's say if it is a regular pay or up to 60th age, same amount. It will not change with inflation, it will not change with anything. Okay, if your client starts paying today 8,000, after 20 years also he will be paying 8,000 only. Okay, so at that time it will be a penny for him, 8,000 after 20 years. It doesn't change along with the inflation and all.
Milind, also one very simple way to look at this is that the older you get, the higher is your probability of dying. So one that is why one reason why
Yeah.
your premiums also increase. Okay, Ravi, your question about how 3 years calculate in ELSS. Prasad, if you understood that question, can you please answer that?
See, every unit, okay, let's say you are making a monthly contribution to your ELSS. Okay, whenever you buy some units, okay, you bought 10 units today, this month. Okay, that 10 units has to complete 3 years. Next month you are buying another 10 units, so those 10 units also need to complete another 3 years. It's not like that there is a fixed tenure for all the units. No, whenever you buy some units in the ELSS, from that day to next 3 years, 36 months.
We have another comment and a question from Anshul. Again, if you understood that, could you please answer that, Prasad?
What is
Power
that?
of attorney for a change of fund.
I didn't get that.
Anshul, can you rephrase your question? And if there are any other questions, can we are almost nearing the end of the session. So if we have any, we can take another 2 or 3 questions before wrapping up.
No, I didn't understand that question. That's
Okay,
why.
we have another question from Milind. Do we have the option to buy bonds which give regular coupon amount as income?
No, you can buy bonds, but you cannot claim under ATC. See, whatever ATC we are discussing here.
No, he doesn't want it for ATC. He said that it's an off-subject question. So I'm assuming that he doesn't want tax benefits.
He can buy that. No issues. He can buy any kind of bond. We can make it available, whatever bond he wants. That's not an issue. But
Okay,
it doesn't
Anshul
come
has
under.
asked, does the customer have to give power of attorney while purchasing? I don't think that is necessary. Prasad,
No,
can
it is not necessary. Power of attorney, nothing has to be given to us. Okay, because every transaction is as per SEBI regulation. Okay, we inform the client, we execute that. If he is not willing to execute that, he should just say that I don't want this. That's all. There is
Okay.
no power of attorney required for this.
Okay, I've received one question from Nagaraj. So he's asking which is the one good retirement plan. Nagaraj, the short answer is that if we do not know the investor, we cannot advise. We need to know what is his age, his risk appetite, what are his future goals, and based on these factors, we can give you a good answer. So
Yeah,
I
true.
suggest you speak about this to your relationship manager. He or she will be able to give you a better answer.
Yeah.
But currently, we are short of time. Prasad, can you answer Ravi Gangwar's question?
What is that? I don't have Ravi. No, I'm not able to see. If
Okay,
any
his
client
question is if any client take MF through Wealthy, are there any charges? No, there are no charges.
no charges.
Yeah.
No charges.
Okay, I think. Okay, we are near. One final question, and I think we can then wrap up this session.
Yeah. So how you decide that? What to advise?
How do you decide that what to advise? Again, Prasad, do you want to take that question?
Yeah. Yeah, Milind. See, that is what we are saying. Whenever we say you have to utilize, see, we are not building a entire investment portfolio. We are just taking utilization of 1.5 lakh rupees under ATC investment. See, when you want to plan for retirement, it is not necessary only through ATC you want to plan. Okay, he might be planning through other ways. Okay, so under ATC, whatever we are discussing and whatever portfolios we discussed today, okay, it is only for ATC investment. I'm saying, okay, when we say ATC investment, first thing you have to cover the risk, okay, with a certain portion. Okay, that's what term comes in picture, health comes in picture. Okay, after that, what is the objective? Whether he wants to create a wealth, then mutual fund and ULIPs comes into the picture. Or else if he wants to have some retirement planning, then Sanchay Plus products comes into the picture. Okay, so it depends on you, I'm saying. Okay, as a smart wealth manager, okay, you have to understand the needs of your clients. Okay, so yes, but how you come up on the decision that we should advise so and so portfolio? Any criteria or calculations? No, see, what we have given, it's a standard product. It doesn't mean that entire 1.5 lakh rupees should go into these portfolios. Okay, we are not saying that. Okay, so why we have calculated this? Just to give a picture. Okay, in 1.5 lakh rupees you might go for only 50,000 into this, because another 1 lakh rupees you might be utilizing on other products. Okay, so expected rate of return whenever you invest in PPF, see, most of the clients, what they will be doing, they will be investing in FD, right? So this is better than FD return, okay, at lower risk, right? When you are ready to take some risk, okay, your returns are higher with a 1.5 lakh rupees investment available for ATC. I'm saying tax saving, for tax saving. It is not his entire portfolio. His capacity should be investment of 1 crore rupees per annum. But we are not talking about that. We are just talking about 1.5 lakh rupees what he has for saving the investment, saving the taxes. That's all. Yeah.
Okay, then I think we have answered all questions. So to everyone who has attended, if you still have any doubts, we will, you can go to a YouTube channel and see one of our earlier sessions on the subject. If you still have any questions, you can reach out to me directly through the WhatsApp group or email me your question at srini@wealthy.in. If you still have any questions, you can also contact your relationship manager. We are there to help you in any way we can. So yeah, thank you for attending, and we will see you. We also have another session coming up at 7:30 p.m. on mutual funds. So it would be great if you can attend that as well. So yeah, with that, thank you for attending, and thanks a lot, Prasad. Thank you.
Thanks everyone. If you have any queries related to your clients, if you have any doubts, please be free to connect to your wealth manager. They will connect with me. Okay, we can arrange a call and address your queries whenever you have some difficult queries.
Share it with, Prasad, can you just share this PPT with me? I'll share it, circulate
Sure,
it
sure,
with
I'll do that.
all the WhatsApp groups.
Sure, I'll do
Yeah,
that.
okay.
Yeah.
Thanks a
Thank
lot.
you.
Yeah,
Thank
that
you.
answers
Thanks,
your point,
everyone.
Milind.
Yeah. Sure. Thanks, guys. Thank you very much.